Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share this quilt with you. This was so much fun to make. I have seen on Pinterest, I know Missouri Star Quilt has done this. This is called the fence rail quilt, and it's so easy to put together that I just thought this would be a great one to show you. I start out by cutting my strips at 2.5 inches. If you have a jelly roll, that would work and you wouldn't even have to do this part. I really like these three colors together. I thought that was just such a great little combination with the white as a border. It turned out really neat. And then once you figure out the colors you want and you get ready to sew them together, I am sewing 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. And the reason I am stopping like that, I am going back and forth, I found that if you do that, it will not curve on you. Otherwise, if you just sew a long straight line, it tends to curve the whole fabric. So I don't know if anybody else has tried that. I'd be interested to know. But it really worked great on this project. I was just thinking how cute this would be with baby colors. You know, you could make it smaller and you could use all pinks, you could use some florals, you could do all blue. So many things you can do with this. I've had a couple people tell me that I go way too fast in my videos, so I'm trying to slow it down a little bit. I hope that helps. If you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. And then once you get it done, you want to give it a good press. Make sure it's ironed really good, there's no wrinkles. And be careful to not stretch the fabric if you can. Here you are going to want to measure up and down the 3 strips together. Whatever that is, that's the distance you want to cut the length. So the length and the width are exactly the same. Mine I am doing at 6.5 inches. This strip had an additional 2.5 inch piece, so I'm going to save that for another project. And then once you get that done, you want to decide how big you're going to make it. Mine is 6 across and 7 down. And then I like to put it on the design wall. This is where you decide how you want it to be laid out. If you want a sashing or not. I've seen several that did not have a sashing. I kind of liked the sashing. It just kind of broke it up a little bit. And it makes the quilt bigger, which helps if you're looking for a bigger size. For this quilt, I did 1.5 inches for the sashing. And then you just want to start sewing them together just the way you had them laid out. Chain piecing, like I am getting ready to do, makes this project go so much faster. This is the best way this worked for me, by pulling it back just like this and knowing it is right where I want it, and then pinning it down and then sewing it. I am really happy with the way this turned out. Just think how different this would look if you used a different colored sashing, and it would totally change the look of this. And now I have it all ready for quilting. This was such a fun project to do. I hope you'll give it a try. And at the end of this video, I will put up 2 of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. Thank you so much for watching.